So the Amazon parcel has come. There's a Bluetooth dongle from TP-Link and HP 200 headset, Bluetooth headset. So it has come in one box. So this is the Bluetooth device. First let us unbox this now. For that. Okay. So this is how it looks like. The price for this is around 470. Okay, just a small device. So you can connect any Bluetooth devices. And
I think you have to cut it.
yeah. Okay. So that is there. So this is just 470 and it's a small device. So this will connect to my PC. I'll show you later. Now the main thing. So the HP 200, I got it for 700 some change, I don't believe, but at the moment in 2 days it has increased to 1100. So it's quite a steal. Just got from Amazon, delivered.
Box is nice.
The box is really nice. It's just a budget headset, by the way. You have expensive ones than that, but this is
Still looks
for my
premium.
need. For my need, it's. Let's open it. So the seal is packed. Seal is intact. Sorry. And with cutter is having a hard time.
I took out.
Okay. So what are the other things you get? Accessories that also has to be checked, because obviously it has to be charged. It's a wireless one. So here you go. Wireless headset. Wow. The color, what is the color? Bluish type, right?
Blue and black.
Blue and black. So quite impressive, I would say, for
how
that
do we
price.
turn it on?
Is it charged? That is the thing.
No. I am just.
There must be some.
Oh yes,
Ah,
it is.
there.
So Type C port.
Type C port is
This
over
is the power button.
there. Right. And those are the
This one is volume.
Okay,
Volume button.
Right.
This one volume plus and minus.
Okay.
So is there any light or something that glows?
No.
We have to charge.
You have to charge that. What are the other accessories? Let's see that also.
I think you'll get a
Okay,
cable.
just that.
Cable, charging cable.
So there is
You have one charging cable, type A to C.
A to C, no?
Yeah. And you have this aux cable.
For what is this for?
If you want to you can connect. You can
Okay.
you can
Wired.
connect
It
this.
can be wired
yes,
also. Okay,
yes.
okay.
Wireless and wired.
Wired
both.
It's quite long.
That means
There must be some.
port. We have port. This is
to
3.5 mm jack.
Yes.
So here
There it is.
maybe here.
There. And
Yes. So if you want to use
wired and wireless both, right?
Yes.
Wow. So the price, I'm happy with the price. I got it at a good
Quality
deal.
is good.
Quality is good, and sound
to
quality
check,
also we'll see later. Thank you. Thank you guys. These are the things. So I'm just going to quickly connect when I reach home and see how the music or sound quality is. Thank you. This is my old headset and I'm going to replace it. This is my computer and I have this dongle, the Bluetooth dongle. So I'm just going to connect right now, back side. So you can see here the dongle is connected and it's working right now. So now let me just have it connected here. Okay, so Bluetooth is showing and now I have put it on paired mode. Just can you see here, when you press this button, yes, it will be in pair mode. So all I have to do is I just have to go to add device and then see it's saying HP 200. So just connect it. It says connected. So just press on done and it's connected. Quite simple. So I cannot tell you, make you hear, listen to the audio, but I believe it is good. Thank you. So this is how you connect HP200 to a Bluetooth device, and I'm good to go. So no wires, no letters, nothing. Thank you.